This video will give you a brief overview of using the RISM online catalog. You can access the catalog from rism.info or opac.rism.info. An easy way to begin is to start with a simple search such as Schumann and just browse the list of results. We have over 2,900 results, so let's refine these using the filters on the left. At the top, you'll find a filter for digitized sources. This will limit to records that contain a link to the digitized source hosted by the holding library. Next, you will find genres, and you can click Show More to see more choices. Composer, source type, scoring, also called instrumentation, publisher for printed music, year, this is the year that the source was created, not necessarily the year the music was created, library siglum, which is where the sources are located, and at the bottom, indexes. The RISM indexes are our authority files, which are linked to the records. You will find our personal names, secondary literature, and institutions. You can sort the results by year, title, and author. Click any filter to apply it. Now I have pieces by Clara Schumann. I can browse the sources further by instrument, for example, if I want to. Click the X to remove a filter. Click on any record to get more detailed information. You can click here to view the source online. Information on the composer is at the top. Click a blue link for more information. Biographical information about the people, and bibliographic information about publications. Here you get an exact transcription of the title as it is on the source. Then, information about its physical form, such as score or parts. Music incipits are frequently included. In this record, we have further notes about the piece, scoring, details about the work, mention of the piece in secondary literature, and other names related to the source. We also have a former owner and an old shelf mark. All of these names are indexed, so you would be able to search them in the catalog as well. At the bottom of the record, you will find out where the manuscript is located. You can click here for more information about the institution. If you notice an error, you can report it using this box at the bottom of the record. RISM numbers that you can cite in your research are in the bottom right. Permalinks to the records are at the top. Help is located at the top of the page. The advanced search and the search for music incipits will be explained in a different video. Thank you for your attention.